Hello children. In the wave optics, we have next topic is theory of interference of light. Interference of light is the phenomena of redistribution of light energy due to superposition of two waves. When the two waves superimpose with each other, then superposition is of two types. First is called constructive, second is called destructive. If the crest of the one wave and the crest of the other wave superimpose, or the trough of the one wave and the trough of the other wave superimpose, then it is constructive superposition. And if the crest of the one wave and the trough of the other wave superimpose, then it is destructive superposition. Now, due to the redistribution of light energy, it is a redistribution of light energy when the two waves superimpose is called interference of light. So now theory of interference of light. Let us consider two light waves. The one light wave having amplitude A and the other light waves having amplitude B. Let both the waves come to meet at the point P. This is the point of superposition of waves. Now for the first equation we can write y1 is equal to a sin omega t. A is the amplitude of the first wave. For the second wave we can write y2 is equal to b sin omega t plus phi. Let phi is the phase between the first and the second wave and b is the amplitude of the second wave. Now, due to superposition, we can write y is equal to y1 plus y2. y1 is a sin omega t and y2 is b sin omega t plus phi. We can write y is equal to a sin omega t plus b sin of a plus b. We can write sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now we can write a sin omega t multiplied by b sin omega t cos phi plus b cos omega t sin phi. Now we can write y is equal to sin omega t and sin omega t, it will be common. So it is a plus b cos phi plus b sin phi cos omega t. Let we suppose a plus b cos phi is equal to r cos theta and b sin phi is equal to r sin theta. Now we can take this is equation number first, equation number second. Now we can write y is equal to sin omega t r cos theta plus r sin theta cos omega t. We can take out r common from here. Sin omega t cos theta plus cos omega t sin theta. This is again formula of the trigonometry, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. We can write here sin of a plus b. So y is equal to r sin omega t plus theta. So this is a resultant equation having amplitude capital R and theta is phase with y1. Now to find amplitude of resultant, In the derivation we have make two equation, first and second. So square and add first and second equation. A plus b cos phi is equal to r cos theta first, b sin phi is equal to r sin theta. So we can write here a plus b cos phi whole square plus b sin phi whole square is equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Now it will be open, so it is a square plus b square plus 2ab cos phi plus b square sin square phi. We can take out r square common, cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is equal to 1. From this b square will be common. It is cos square phi plus sin square phi plus 2ab cos phi is equal to r square. It will be a square plus b square plus 2ab cos phi is equal to r square, or we can write r is equal to under root a square plus b square plus 2ab into cos phi. This is the amplitude of the resultant, so r is equal to under root a square plus b square plus 2ab into cos phi. Now we have to find intensity of the resultant equation. First equation has the amplitude a, so I1 proportional to a square. Second equation having intensity I2, which is directly proportional to amplitude square. We are using the relation that intensity directly proportional to amplitude square. So now we can write I1 is equal to K A square. If we take under root both side, under root I1 is equal to under root KA, I2 is equal to KB square, under root I2 is equal to under root KB. Now for the resultant I proportional to amplitude R square, so now we can put the value of R square. This is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos phi. So I is equal to, we can write Ka square, Kb square plus 2Kab cos phi. Ka square is equal to I1, Kb square is I2 plus 2. We can write K as under root K into under root K. Under root Ka, under root I1, under root Kb, under root I2 into cos phi. This is the required relation for the intensity for the resultant. So I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 under root I1 into under